Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can make a good profit every single day with over one. In this video specifically I'll make about $100 to $200 trading over one, and I want to show you that it is actually possible with a good capital. Okay, so I have a big account currently, so I'll be using I can use even 100 because I know I have a big account. Okay, but let me be safe. Remember, always do analysis based on how big your account is. You don't want to end up blowing your account because this is the money that you have worked hard for. Okay, yeah, so I'll start out with 50, all right, and then I'll put my martingale to 10. Okay, so that in case of a loss I use 500 to recover. Okay, yeah, so that is what I'm saying. Always ensure you have enough capital to be able to recover any losses. Okay, let us run this bot and see how it goes. So currently we are trading over one, so let us see how it goes. Okay, yeah, so currently we have 2 own contracts. If you want to know how to trade over one, I've made a video on my channel. I've made several videos, on my channel. You can just go and check them out. They'll really open your eyes pertaining over one in all aspects. Okay, yeah. So let us see. Right now we are at $69. Okay, we are moving well. That is why I'm saying, please ensure you invest in a good capital, in a good account. Okay, it will save you from a lot of hassle, from a lot of difficulty when it comes to trading. And as you can see, we have already hit our target, $100. All right, have a big account, guys. As you can see, I've traded over one, which is a very low risk market, and then I've combined a low risk market with good capital. I've used $50. All right, and then what have I done? I've used a martingale of 10. So in case of a loss, I'll use 500 to recover. But as you can see, I've made 100 in seconds. Okay, so that is the benefit of having a big capital. Whenever you hear people saying have a bigger capital, this is it. As you can see, I've made $100 effortlessly. Okay, trading over one. So yes, you can make it in over one if you do it well. All right, yeah, so for those who have been doubting over one, yes, you can make it in over one, but ensure you have good capital, because if I decide to use $1, it will take me a lot of time to even reach 10. Okay, but once you do it with a big account, with a good capital, with a good stake, it will be effortless to you. Okay, so trading is possible, but ensure you have a good capital. If you don't have enough capital, save up. You will reach, once you reach to that amount, invest in a good account. Okay, yeah, so but others, guys, thank you very much for watching. For those who are wondering right now how to trade over one, as I've said, I've made several videos on my channel. Okay, so let me come on. Okay, yeah, so once you come to YouTube, I want you to do this. All right, once you come to YouTube, I want you to head directly to DerivNavigatorAcademy. So you can come here. All right, so you can just come here and type DerivNavigatorAcademy. All right, so I'll come here and type DerivNavigatorAcademy. Click on the name of the channel. All right, once you click on the name of the channel, proceed and click once again on the channel, and then go to playlist. And then once you go to playlist, I want you to look for the over under playlist. All right, it is one of these playlists, so I'll just come and look for the over under. Here it is, and then I'll proceed and click on the name of the playlist. As you can see, the first video in the playlist will start playing. Click on pause if you're using a PC, and then I want you to scroll here until you find over one. As you can see, over one is here. So let me scroll. Here it is, over one trading strategy. So I'll click on it, and as you can see, there is the over one strategy. And as you can see, once you watch, you get a free bot. For every subscriber, you get a free bot. So if you want to learn this strategy, go to the channel, check it out. It will open your eyes pertaining over one, what you're supposed to look for, what you're supposed to avoid, and so on. And by doing that, you'll become a very knowledgeable trader. So please, guys, aim for good capital, aim for low risk markets. There's no need for you risking your money in high risk markets and getting nothing at the end of the day. All right, yeah, for any inquiries, please comment down in the comment section or WhatsApp me. And for anyone who is interested in classes are ongoing, ensure you WhatsApp me if you are interested. But otherwise, guys, I appreciate you watching until the end. Keep trading, keep pushing. And guys, if you are watching this video and you don't have a bot, at least even one, take a screenshot after you subscribe, send it to my WhatsApp number. It is in the description. Let me show you where you can find it. So once you click on more, okay, let me look for a video that has it. So I want you to go to our latest video. Okay, I want to show you how you can get a free bot right now, because most of you don't know what I mean when I say you'll get a free bot. Okay, once you come to our latest video, okay, as you can see, like this one is our latest video. So let me click on it, and you scroll down, and then you click on more, and then you scroll, you will see my WhatsApp number right here. So you can just WhatsApp me, tell me you have subscribed, share the screenshot, and if you create an account using this link, you get 5 free bots. Okay, yeah, so please, if you don't have a bot, come to me, I'll give you a bot. I want every trader to have as many bots as they can. Okay, yeah, apart from that, guys, thank you once again for watching. Please ensure you subscribe if you have enjoyed. Please like this video, and please share it to anyone who you know is in trading in Deriv or is interested in trading in Deriv, so that they don't miss out. Okay, but otherwise, guys, thank you very much once again, and good luck.